Additive. Meaning: additive refers to a substance added to something to enhance or alter its properties, often used in food or chemicals to improve qualities like taste or preservation. Definition: additive is a noun that describes a substance added to something else, especially in small amounts, to change or improve its function, appearance, or preservation. Examples in sentences. 1. The food company uses a natural additive to preserve the flavor of the snacks. Here, additive refers to a substance used to maintain the taste of the snacks. 2. The scientist added a chemical additive to improve the product's durability. In this sentence, additive refers to a substance added to enhance the product's strength. Usage: additive is commonly used in the context of food, chemicals, or materials, where a substance is added to improve or modify certain qualities.
English practice.